In the name of God, hello dear students, my name is Masoud, I'm a physics teacher. I'm at your service to explain physics curriculum, grade 12. Right now I'm gonna, let's say, solve the sample problem page 11, sample problem 1D page 11 for you. This question is a question of national exam. Actually, I have seen this question in national exam. That's why I mentioned, let's say, national exam here for, let's say, for the importance of this question, excuse me. Let me read the question. It says the wheel on an upside down bicycle moves through 11 rad per second. 11 rad, right? So what's the 11 rad? Means delta theta. Delta theta for the let's say bicycle wheel is 11 rad. In 2 seconds, what's this? Delta t. I want you to summarize the information for yourself to guess which equation works, right? What's the wheel's angular acceleration? So what do we look for? We look for alpha. Alpha is unknown here. If it's initial angular speed, you see it says initial angular speed. So guess the quantity. What's this? Omega I. If initial angular speed is this one. So we have omega I, delta theta, delta t, and we look for alpha. Which equation is valid here? Think about the equation. I summarized actually the given and unknown here. We have delta theta. It's given in rad. We have delta t, it's given in second. And omega I, rad per second. So we don't need conversion because all of the dimensions are unified. So what do we look for? It says, what's the wheel's angular acceleration? We look for alpha. Or let's say, I'm gonna write the equation and I want you to check it for me. I say alpha is equal to omega f minus omega I divided by delta t. Is it true? No, it's not true because we neglected delta theta. You have to write an equation that includes delta theta. So what's this equation? We have 4 equations. I want to write another equation. I say delta theta is equal to omega I delta t plus 1 over 2 alpha delta t squared. Does it work or not? Let me check this equation. Delta theta, we have delta theta. Omega I, it's given. Delta t, it's available, right? 1 over 2 alpha, so we look for alpha, and delta t is given. So this equation works, right? We have another approach. You can, let's say, find omega f by means of one of the 4 equations. After that, let's say, find alpha. But this equation is used, let's say, directly. That's why whenever you, let's say, memorize the equation carefully, you can choose the correct, let's say, option. You can choose the correct equation for solving the problem. That's why delta theta is equal to omega I, delta t plus 1 over 2 alpha delta t squared. And I told you, this is the important question because, let's say, it's a question of national exam, right? I substituted the number. Instead of delta theta, I have to write 11 omega I 2 delta t is 2 second, 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 over 2 alpha. We don't have it, we look for it. And delta t is 2 second squared. Right now 11, 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Bring it down, and after that, 2 squared becomes 4, divided by 2 becomes 2 alpha. I turn this one from the right side into the left side. So 4, let's say, comes to the left side and becomes negative. 11 minus 4 becomes 7. And in right part only we have 2 alpha. In this situation, coefficient of variable let's say I say this, let's say this rule in mathematics frequently for you. Alpha is equal to, which one goes to the denominator? Actually, coefficient of variable goes to the denominator, I mean 2, and the other part goes to the numerator. 7 over 2 becomes 3.5. So what's the unit of alpha? Rad per second squared. That's all, guys, for today, and thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye.